In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel your Zendrop subscription and deactivate your account. Are you looking to end your subscription with Zendrop, whether you're a fond of alternative solution or you need have changed? Canceling your subscription and deactivating your account is a straightforward process, and here's a step-by-step guide to help you through it. Log into your Zendrop account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the billing page. This is where you can manage your subscription details. On the billing page, look for the option to manage your subscription. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a similar icon indicating additional actions. Click on the 3 dots icon, then select Edit from the drop-down menu. This action will allow you to modify your subscription details. Within the subscription editing options, locate the downgrade button. Click on it to initiate the process of canceling your subscription. Follow any prompts or confirmation messages that appear to complete the downgrade. If you encounter any difficulties during the downgrade process, Zendrop offers in-app support via Messenger. Simply use the Messenger feature to request assistance with canceling your subscription. The customer success team is available to help you resolve any issues promptly. It's essential to note that canceling your subscription does not automatically deactivate your account. If you wish to fully close your account, you'll need to request account deactivation separately. You can do this by using the Messenger in-app and requesting that your account be deactivated. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.